Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making shepherd's pie. Let's get started. I have a little over a pound of ground chuck, 80/20. I just toss it over in this pan and cook it up. And I'm using my potato masher. Works perfect every time. Gonna add in, this is about half of a medium onion. And you don't have to worry about cooking them beforehand because it's going into the oven. Gonna add in some pepper. Smells good. Smells good. Gonna add into some Worcestershire sauce. We're just gonna add to taste. Excuse me. Gonna add in some garlic powder. I have some Saison Complete. Gonna add a little of that. I have some Better Than Bouillon beef. This is beef base. I'm gonna add some of this. And it's pretty potent, so add and then taste. And it has a high salt content also. Salty. Let's see what we have going on here. Turn it down a bit. Taste. Gonna add a little more bouillon. About another teaspoon. So it's about a tablespoon maybe, and a half altogether. Like I said, taste as you go, so you'll know what's best for you. What tastes good to you. Gonna taste it again. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's about it there. Turn it down low. I have some peas and carrots. These are frozen. Add two in here. Let's see. And just a tad bit more. Just a tad. That's it there. I also have some corn. I'm going to add a little corn in. Excuse me again. And by the way, I have turned my pan off. Like I said, it's going into the oven. Looks good, huh? See how easy that was to put together? Let me see. Just double checking, making sure. I think we have it. Now into this, I'm going to add just a little flour. Let's mix it and see how much. This right here is about a teaspoon or so. So that was about 2 teaspoons or so. We're just putting that on there to keep it from getting too loose, to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, this is done. We're going to set this aside. Okay, here I've cooked and boiled until tender some Idaho Gold potatoes. And this is about 4 medium-sized ones. Smash these up. I'm going to add some butter. That was about 4 tablespoons or so. Gonna sprinkle some salt in here. Some pepper. I have 2 egg yolks, just the yolks. And this is so they'll hold together and it gives them flavor and color. I'm just gonna use my finger. How about that? And I have some heavy cream, and this is about 1/4 of a cup. If I use all of it, I'm not sure that I'll need it. That's about it. Add a little more salt. And I think I'm going to add some parsley. Just so we can make it look pretty. So let's do it just a minute. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Take a look. And I'm going to add some Parmesan. That's quite enough right there. Gonna give it a taste. And by golly, I think we have it. Put this together. I'm going to take a little butter and grease my dish. Let's see. My oven is already preheated at 375. I'm going to take my hamburger mixture. That's about plenty. Plenty. A little more. I hate to make more than we need. I can always make a second one and freeze it or give it away. Excuse me. I'm going to add our potatoes on the top. Yum. Let's see. Carefully, because you see what happened. And we're almost there. That Parmesan is stringy. Ooh. And I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil. I'm just going to tin it across the top. We're going to let it cook. This is what I do. Yeah. And into the oven. And I'll see you back when it's done. I did sprinkle a little bit of parm on the top. It's absolutely up to you though. I just wanted you to see every step that I made. Okay, now we're going into the oven. Okay, I'll let that cook for about 35 minutes. You see I got nice and brown on the top. Let's go in and give it a taste. See how that meat is holding together? That's from the flour that I put in. See how nice and brown that's on the top? This is super hot. Let's see. Let's see. Just gonna give it a little taste. It's a big bite. Ooh, that's hot. This is bugging me right here. Mm. That's really good. As you say, I say it all the time, but it is really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Well, if you haven't already, just want you to see what it looks like. Give it a try. If you have, try it again. Like this. Hey. Mm. Thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Later. Make you some shepherd's pie. Mm-hmm.